Perfect to sa mga may experience na with skateboards and longboards tapos gusto nyo may bago and may thrill. Meron tayong bagong modelo dito sa Motor Electric, si Motor Outlaw Electric Longboard with a dual belt drive sa likod. At napakabilis umabot ng 40 kph max speed. Meron tayong distance of 20 to 30 kilometers per full charge with a 10 ampere lithium-ion battery. 8 inches tube type tires, apat yan. Off-road spikes. This is 36 volts, 1,650 watts each motor. 13 kilos lang to kung bubuhatin nyo, magaan lang siya. Meron tayong remote para patakbuhin, pwede reverse, pwede forward.
Hiu hiu! Tukurukuk! Kukru! Kukru!